Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to upload receipts to Expensify. So here I am on the dashboard in the inbox section. And then if I click here on expenses, as you can see, there was one created, but there is no receipt. If I click on this, there is a plus option to go ahead and add this receipt. You can click here to upload, or you can just come and click here on reports from the left-hand panel, and you'll see your different expenses. As you can see, this one does not have a receipt. So go ahead and click on it, scroll up, and then click on the plus icon. And then you can go ahead and choose file from your file explorer, or drag and drop a receipt onto this page, or you can even forward it to the email. Okay, so I'll come here and we'll drag and drop this receipt right here. There you go. And it has been uploaded. As you can see, it totals $5.98. And then all you have to do is click on submit to go ahead and submit that expense. And that is how you upload receipts to Expensify.